Today I am making a delicious roasted Cornish game hen and potatoes for the Sunday dinner. Cornish game hens are chickens served young, not more than 2 pounds. If you don't have them, you can use one regular chicken instead. The first step is to wash, peel and dice your potatoes. For the potato marinade, add 1 tablespoon of mustard, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of pepper and the zest of 1 lemon, all made it into a paste. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, salt and a sprig of finely chopped thyme and rosemary. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil and set it aside in a baking pan. Now to the Cornish game hens. I used my easy compound butter to smear all over these tiny birds to make them juicy and tender inside and crispy on the outside. For the compound butter, I mixed 4 to 5 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, zest of 1 lemon, juice of half a lemon and pepper to a softened room temperature stick of butter. Your aromatic compound butter is ready to use. You can use it to smear it on your meats or simply on a piece of toast. After smearing the butter all over the game hens, place a small bunch of rosemary and thyme into the cavities to infuse the wonderful aroma of the herbs. Place the hens on a rack over the baking pan with the potatoes. Bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, remember to turn over the hens to make sure both the sides are roasted, golden and crispy. The potatoes in the pan will drink all those yummy melted butter and become crisp and golden themselves. If after an hour your potatoes are not yet baked, stick them back in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until they are golden and crispy. Don't worry, all the step-by-step instructions and detailed ingredients list is available in the YouTube comment sections below. Don't forget to make this comment and let me know how your family reacted. First try the potatoes. taste of the apple cider vinegar comes out. This flavor of the garlic, thyme and rosemary is a wonderful feeling. The meat is falling off of the bone. It's very nicely flavored with rosemary and thyme and garlic and lemon zest and butter. Best Cornish game hen I ever tasted. Wow.